Say hello.
Hello.
Today we are going to talk about my favorite one and done eyeshadows. I mentioned this a few weeks ago on my Instagram. One and done eyeshadows just means you can put it all over your lid, blend it out, and you're good to go. You don't need to put any other eyeshadow on. Pretty self-explanatory, but I wanted to share my favorites with you guys today. So if you're not super into a ton of eyeshadow or you just want something really quick and out the door, this is the video for you. I have a couple of drugstore options, a couple mid-range options, and a couple a little bit more expansive options. But we will start out with the most expensive. The first ones are these two cream sticks. These are from Laura Mercier and Bobbi Brown. They're similar in shades, but they're a little bit different. This one is the shade Metallic Taupe. And it's a really pretty gold color. I'm already wearing eyeshadow today, so I'm probably not going to put this all over my eyelid and swatch these all for you on my eye because that would hurt really bad. They blend out really easily on the skin and on the eyes. They blend out really easily on the eyes. Yeah, it's pretty. And then once they dry down, they are there for the rest of the day. The way I like to apply these is pretty much how I like to apply all of them, is putting it on straight from the bullet on and then blending it out with my finger. And then you're good to go. It won't crease or anything throughout the day and it'll stay all day. The next one is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick, and this is in the shade Golden Pink, so obviously I like it. It is similar in shade to Magnetic Taupe. It's a little bit brighter actually. This is Magnetic Taupe, this is Golden Pink. Like I said, really similar in shades, but the reason why I like them is because they give you a little bit of leeway time to blend out with your finger. And once they're on, they're not going anywhere. So they're really great, just shimmery metallic shades. I would say the Bobbi Brown ones, I would say even a little bit creamier than the Laura Mercier one. And the Bobbi Brown one is a little bit more pink, and the Metallic Taupe one is a little bit more gold. So the next one I want to mention are these RMS Beauty Eye Polishes. My favorite shade is the shade Lucky. They have a ton of pretty shades. I just am partial to bronzy, goldeny shades in general, so I really like this one. This one, like I said, is a really pretty bronzy gold shade. This one is a little bit more finicky to work with, however. You kind of have to really rub it in, and then it just leaves a sheen on your lid. RMS Beauty is a clean beauty brand, so if you are looking for clean beauty, this is a really great option for you. These next ones have been all over YouTube, so if you have been under a rock, you've never heard of these. Otherwise, this is an old broken record. These are the Stilla, this is the Glitter and Glow, and this is the Shimmer and Glow. I am partial to the Glitter and Glow just because I think it's a little bit extra oomph. It's a little bit more noticeable, so I like these a little bit better. I have three shades, obviously. I have, sorry. Kitten Karma, I have Rose Gold Retro, and then the Shimmer and Glow, I have Smoky Quartz. My favorite is probably Kitten Karma. Gold Retro and Kitten Karma are very, very similar, so if you have one, you probably don't need another. This is probably a little bit more of a going out one and done eyeshadow. I put it straight from the dough applicator all over the eye, and then I blend out. You can use a brush or you can use your finger just on the edges to make it not a harsh line, and it's good to go. These are also great if you use eyeshadows, just to add on to any eyeshadow look. These are great accent eyeshadows, if that makes sense. So these are all around just a great product if you're into glitter or want to experiment a little bit with glitter. These are really fun, and they are a little bit pricey, but a little bit goes a long way, and there's so many fun colors to choose from. So this is more of a mid-range price point for those of you who don't want to spend a ton of money, but maybe not looking for drugstore options. This is the Glossier. So these are the Glossier Lid Stars. I've at least sampled almost all of the colors, and the one that I still love the best is the shade Cub, which is like a peachy pink kind of color. And again, it's a one and done thing, straight from the dough applicator. I like to put it all over my lid and then just blend out the edges with my finger. You can also use a brush, but these are definitely a more sheer product, so it's not gonna be bam color all over your lid. It's gonna be more like a tint. If you're kind of new to the whole eyeshadow game, or you're just looking for an everyday, not too crazy kind of look, the Lid Stars are probably gonna be what's for you. These last ones are from the drugstore. I've had these for years and years. I've talked about them on my channel. I've talked about them on my Instagram. I've talked about them a lot. These are the L'Oreal Infallible Eyeshadow Pots. And my two favorite colors, I have a lot of different colors, but my two favorite are Iced Latte and Amber Rush. Iced Latte is kind of like a sparkly, almost, well, not sparkly, it's like a shimmery, almost white kind of reflect. And then Amber Rush is a champagne pinky gold. Surprise, surprise. These are great because not only is the price point good, they're like less than $10, I think, but they last forever. They have a little cap in here so they don't dry out. They have a little cap that you press in here so it doesn't dry out, so the product won't get crumbly or gross. Amber Rush is just that universal color that looks good on everybody. It's a very easy wearable color. So again, if you're dabbling into eyeshadows, you don't want to spend a lot of money and you just want something easy to swipe all over the eyes with your fingers, Amber Rush is the way to go. That concludes my one and done eyeshadows. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget in the comments to let me know what your favorite one and done eyeshadows are as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Can you say bye-bye?